Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Shadow and Godzilla, and they're going to be as one character. So let's hop right into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Shadow the Hedgehog and Godzilla. So it's going to be real simple and easy. Let's go through it step by step, okay? Going to go right here, and I'm going to start right here with kind of a curve right here for kind of the dip in the middle of Shadow's eyes. And I'm going to pull upward this direction, pull up over here. And I'm going to curve down. You know, that kind of Sonic universe, they always have those kind of glasses shaped eyes. Up over here on this side. Down over here. Curve right here. And a circle over here for this side. For the eyes. So far, about the same. Alright. Curve along here for the lower portion of the eyes. And there we go. We have pretty similar right there. Alright. Now we're going to draw a line out for the Godzilla kind of section here. So it's like the snout. Dang, it's cold in here. In my room here, I don't know why, it's like really cold. Downward, up. Smile right there. Well, actually, not even smile. We're going to draw a line right here because there's always a little bit of anger there. Should have done sharp teeth. Oh well. Right here's like almost like a comma or something like that, and it's like the nasal cavity of very Godzilla-esque area. Line down here from underneath the mouth. We're going to pull in. So far, doing pretty well. I'm going to go here to the top, and I'm going to draw a curve, which is very Shadow-esque, down. And I'm not going to draw the ears in, because Godzilla doesn't have ears. So I'm just going to go back here, pull in. Downward over here for this side of the face. I'm going to throw another spike over here on that far side. Pulling down over here, and then we're going to pull up on this spike, and then pull down. Very, very shadow shaped. And like I said, this is a combination, so that's kind of part of it, right? Downward over here. Down the back. Curve around. It's going to be the tail. And by the way, if you like this mixture stuff so far, hit the like button. It definitely helps out. It definitely helps me kind of, get a gauge on what people like and what people don't. And yeah, absolutely do that if you can. Curve over here for the tail. And curve for one arm on this side. And then curve over here for the arm on the far side. So I'm going to put a power ring right here around the wrist. That's a very Knuckles thing to do. Line over here for the hand, the claw hand. Curve, 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 like there. Over here, the same thing. We're going to draw a line down. Same thing, it's going to have a power ring right here on this side. Down right here. Curve, curve. Right on. Line down. Downward over here, downward over here. And we got the foot right there, like a very Godzilla-esque foot. Godzilla's body gets bigger as it goes down, so I'm going to kind of keep with that theme right there. Maybe that's too big, but whatever. And then line over here for his other leg. Down over here on this side. And we have him kind of put on the floor right there, right? We want to kind of have him grounded. Let's go over here to the chest area. And Shadow has this like fur on his chest, and that's what we're going to do over here for this version of this. I don't know what would his name be. Godzilla with Shadow. What would that be? If you can write a name in, I will pin the comment. Absolutely. And you'll be famous in the comment section forever. Just pin that comment. Also, we do daily lives. Do not forget. Take a look at those. Line over here for kind of the stripe over here on the pattern. There's a stripe pattern on usually dictated by Shadow. Line right there. There's a color change. There's a line over here because there's that kind of eyeliner, guy liner that Shadow has. We put it on both sides to kind of make it match. And I want to go over here and I want to go into the eyes. So we're going to draw a circle. Put a dot right there. And put a dot over here on this side. And let's go into a line right in the middle of the head. Very decorative line right there. And then we're going to go over here now. Draw a spike. Spike over here. Spike over here. Kind of down the back in order to kind of get that down. One thing I want to add too is, those are Godzilla style spikes, not Shadow. I want to add a little line on the tail because that's very, like the color of the tail right there would be very Shadow, right? We want to throw it in there as well. Line over here to kind of get a little folding of that stuff in. And what we could do, and I guess we will do, is we're going to draw the snake belly of Godzilla right there. We just draw curved lines around the belly there. That's going to make it very, it's going to take attributes from Godzilla by doing that. All right, let's double check anything. I mean, I guess you could kind of, I don't know, there's a lot of little things you could put all over the place. Like you could throw little lines, throw little details, just kind of go through this sort of stuff. And, go check out the stuff in the comments. There's a lot of cool stuff on there. There's a playlist. There's, free ebook there for you as well. Go take a look at all that stuff. And, it's going to be, stuff that's worth it. And it's going to help you out. So if you have any other questions, I love to answer them, by the way. I'm very big on answering any questions. I can put a spike right there. Different spike like Godzilla spike. I'm very big on answering any questions that you want. And let me know. And I'm going to probably, talk to you guys. So thank you so much. I will see you next time. And I'll talk to you very soon. I want you to stay right there or share the video. But I want you to stay right there. And we're going to go through another drawing lesson, okay? Right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.